My name is André Gröger and I'm a researcher at the Barcelona School of Economics and a professor at the Universidad Autónoma de Barcelona. I've always been interested in human development, which led me to conduct field research in Southeast Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa during my PhD. I was particularly curious about how rural communities grow wealthier and develop more complex economies. My ERC project built on this curiosity by focusing on structural transformation, which is defined as employment shift out of agriculture. The key question of my project is why do so many workers remain in agriculture in developing countries? This is an important question because rural areas in those countries host large parts of the poor population worldwide, who are particularly vulnerable to negative weather shocks, which will become more frequent and severe through climate change. Poverty eradication must therefore focus on rural development. From previous studies, we know that pronounced and persistent productivity gaps exist in developing countries, both across space and across industries. Farmers could therefore be better off by diversifying their agricultural activities and/or by taking up new jobs in different sectors. We seek to identify the factors that impede this. In the project, we explore three key areas using data from Southeast Asia and Sub-Saharan Africa. First, we focus on agricultural production. We're examining how farmers adapt to changes in agricultural market conditions over time. We aim to pinpoint specific barriers to improving agricultural productivity, like technological constraints such as crop sensitivity and market frictions, like land regulation. Second, we focus on labor markets, where we're analyzing labor reallocation out of agriculture, including domestic labor migration. It's crucial to understand how workers of various skill levels are employed across sectors to boost productivity and manage structural transformation. Third, we focus on climate change. Here we're studying how climate change has historically affected farming, adaptation and labor reallocation. We also simulate the future impact under different emission scenarios and counterfactual policy experiments to understand how climate change will affect structural transformation in the future. Innovative rural development solutions that foster structural transformation will be critical for improving the livelihoods of the rural populations. We hope our research will contribute to finding these solutions.